Hidden beneath the mountain lies a crystal cave untouched for thousands of years. And today, it will become home to something extraordinary. Every measurement had to be perfect because even one mistake could damage the priceless crystal formations. The house would never replace the cave. It would become part of it. Every material was chosen to protect the cave while creating a modern wooden home. Instead of cutting into the cave, the entire structure would stand on its own independent foundation. Precision mattered more than speed because perfection was the only acceptable result. For the first time, the dream finally began to rise inside the ancient crystal cave. The foundation was complete, but the greatest challenge was still waiting ahead. With the structural frame complete, the first solid floor transformed the platform into a true building site. Every wall was designed to fit the cave without touching its fragile crystal formations. The design focused on natural views, allowing the cave itself to become part of the home's interior. Instead of hiding the cave, transparent walls would showcase its beauty from every room. The roof combined modern engineering with natural materials to create lasting strength. Every system was carefully hidden to preserve the clean beauty of the wooden interior. The empty structure slowly transformed into a warm and comfortable living space. After weeks of careful craftsmanship, the impossible was becoming reality, but one final transformation remained. With the structure complete, every handcrafted piece of furniture brought warmth into the heart of the cave. The fireplace transformed the silent cave into a warm and welcoming place to live. Simple details turned a construction project into a peaceful home surrounded by nature. As night arrived, the cave revealed a beauty that daylight could never fully show. Every window offered a view that no city apartment could ever match. The impossible dream had become a fully functional luxury home beneath the mountain. The impossible dream had become a fully functional luxury home beneath the mountain. Some homes are built on land, but the most unforgettable ones are built where imagination meets nature.